Did you know that in sports, a single missed call or unnoticed injury can change the outcome of a game or even an athlete's career? Traditional methods of analysis can't keep up with the speed and complexity of modern sports, but computer vision is changing the game. In today's video, let's explore how computer vision is revolutionizing sports and how Labellerr plays its role. The challenges in sports today. The referee misses a crucial foul, the wrong call changes the outcome, and the controversy erupts. This is what a missed call leads to. A player limps slightly, but no one notices. Fatigue or improper movement goes undetected, leading to injuries that could have been prevented. Coaches and analysts struggle to track every move. Manual stats can't capture the full story. Fans at home want more than just the score. They want to feel the excitement, see every angle, and interact with real-time stats and instant highlights. How computer vision solves these issues. Computer vision acts as a superhuman coach, referee, and analyst for sports. Here's how. Computer vision tracks ball trajectory, player positions, and contact points in real time. Cameras analyze body movements to highlight risky postures like awkward landings in basketball, which reduces injuries by up to 30%. Some advanced computer vision models help track athletes' diets by analyzing their food intake. They identify food types, portion sizes, and provide real-time nutritional insights. AI-powered cameras track player movements, ball paths, and even facial expressions. AI models studies this data to reveal techniques, positioning, and decisions among the players. Augmented reality, AR, brings fans closer to the game. We as fans have desire to have a stadium-like feel while sitting at home. This technology makes that possible. But here's the catch. All these systems need millions of labeled images to train the AI accurately. That's where Labellerr steps in. Computer vision in sports depends on high-quality labeled data. Labellerr makes this easy by features like SAM help label players, balls, and key actions without overlap, even in crowded scenes. This helps models track attributes more accurately by adding extra details to each object. Labellerr also provides event tagging, which is one of the widely used features by annotators. It makes it easier to highlight important sections of the game. This and many other features have been explained on our channel already. Do check that out. We can easily conclude that computer vision is required both on and off the field in sports, and is not limited to any particular game. The possibilities are infinite. It depends on us how we use it, and Labellerr is your first step in this direction. Book a demo with Labellerr to explore more about computer vision and data annotation. Link in the description.